Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows 10 version and the exact Nvidia GPU so you choose the right driver. Once done, make a restore point and sign in with an admin account to avoid permission delays. Next, download the latest Nvidia driver package, Game Ready or Studio, matching your GPU and Windows 10 build. While that downloads, close heavy apps and note current display settings so you can compare after. This prepares you to install without guesswork and reduces rollback friction if something changes. You run the Nvidia installer as administrator and pick custom with clean installation to remove old artifacts. Make sure graphics drivers, FiS X, and HD audio are checked. Optionally skip GeForce Experience to keep things lean. Follow prompts, let the installer finish, then reboot. This step registers the Nvidia Control Panel with Windows. After reboot, check the Start menu, the desktop right-click Context menu, and Control Panel Hardware and Sound. If you see the panel, open it and verify display, 3D, and video settings are accessible. You finish by configuring preferred profiles. Set global and per application 3D settings, adjust resolution and refresh rate, then save. If the control panel is missing, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to remove all Nvidia traces, then reinstall the latest driver cleanly. Also make sure Nvidia services like NV Display, Container Local System are running and set to automatic so the UI appears. If a new driver breaks things, try Windows Update optional drivers or roll back to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.